Africa in 2025. The silent storm no one is talking about. While the world watches elections, tech wars, and social media drama, something far more critical is happening. Quietly in Africa, in 2025, the continent is facing a storm: military coups, proxy wars, foreign influence, tech revolutions, and no one's paying attention. But this silence, it won't last, because Africa's fate could shape the future of the entire planet. The coup wave since 2020. Over 10 military coups have swept across Africa, a shocking return to authoritarian rule not seen in decades. In West Africa, Mali, Guinea, Burkina Faso, and most recently, Niger and Gabon, have all seen elected governments overthrown. Some coups claim to fight corruption or Western control. Others are pure power grabs. But one thing is clear: democracy is in retreat. The African Union and ECOWAS have condemned the takeovers, but sanctions, diplomacy, and pressure have done little to stop them. The new scramble for Africa. Beneath the surface of these coups lies a bigger game. A modern scramble for Africa. China is building roads, railways, and ports across the continent. Russia, through the Wagner Group, is supporting military juntas in return for gold, oil, and influence. Meanwhile, the US and France are being pushed out of old strongholds like Niger, where American bases are being evicted. This isn't just diplomacy. It's a new kind of Cold War. It's a silent battle for resources, access, and allegiance. Who really controls Africa's resources? Africa is rich, not in money, but in minerals. Cobalt in the Congo powers your phone battery. Gold in Sudan funds shadow armies. Lithium in Zimbabwe fuels the electric vehicle revolution. But who profits? Often, it's not Africans. Foreign corporations, corrupt leaders, and military-backed regimes are extracting wealth, while local populations remain in poverty. It's 2025 and resource colonialism is still alive. It just looks different. But Africa isn't just a victim, it's also rising. Across Nigeria, Kenya, Ghana, Rwanda, and Ethiopia, tech startups are exploding. Young Africans are coding, innovating, and building the continent's digital future. Internet access is growing fast. AI tools are helping farmers. Drones are delivering medicine. Africa's population is the youngest in the world, and it's hungry for change. This tech wave may be the most powerful weapon against poverty, corruption, and foreign control. The tipping point right now: Africa stands at a tipping point. Will it fall deeper into military rule, debt traps, and foreign manipulation? Or rise through tech, youth activism, and a new era of self-governance? What happens in Africa won't stay in Africa. From global trade to migration to security, its future will affect us all. The media might stay quiet, the West might stay distracted, but Africa is changing, fast. And the real question isn't what's happening now, it's whether the world is ready for the power Africa is becoming. Subscribe for deeper dives into global shifts no one's talking about. Comment below. What's your take on what's happening in Africa right now?